Welcome back, Airsofters. We're at a different air site today. We're at Ambush Airsoft up the M25 in Cobham. Really enjoyed it. Nice layout. They've been there about a year and a half. This game is a bomb game. We've got to get bombs from out in the wild back to the village and put in a well. Every bomb we get takes 3 minutes of our time, and we don't know how many bombs are there. Hit. Right. Hit. 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 There's a heavy fortified big bus in the woods to our left, and I'm trying to flank round to the right to get shots over to get kind of behind the guys.
Don't like your tree, do you?
Nope. Yo. There's a lot of bus going on here. Yeah. Hit.
You're right there, the yellow line.
I think we're better off going down this line.
We've only got to move back 10 metres, haven't we? We're stuck here.
Never stuck, never stuck. Hit. Remember, you've only got to move back 10. What's your right flank? Hit.
Are you bored?
Go! I'm trying to swing round behind and do it. Yeah. I've took quite a lot of them out. I think we need a push like that.
Don't forget about looking for the bomb.
Stop pushing in, Dave! Stop pushing in on the bus!
Hit.
No.
Good on, mate.
Red. What's up top?
Huh?
Yeah, red in here.
No, red bottom.
Red top, are you sure?
Red bottom rear.
Right, okay.
Red bottom rear.
Is that red clear upstairs? Not yet. Red upstairs, not clear yet.
Clear.
Red clear. Red clear. Yeah.
Push on, let's
Bus is
go.
clear. Bus is clear. Look for the bomb.
Is there any bomb down here, lads? I hit it. Is it obvious to look at?
One.
Well, it ain't in here, is it?
Right, come on, let's have a look then.
I don't think there's one here.
No, they're there.
Get the back barrel because sometimes we've run the back of the barrel.
Is anyone upstairs?
We've checked upstairs.
Have a pistol. You take round the right.
Yeah. Let's move out. Let's move out. I don't know what they look like.
I don't know, it's a bomb.
Let's push far right. Let's push far right.
It's a 3-minute time period, then got it.
I know, but it ain't here, is it? What do they bloody look like? Are they big, small? Is it obvious?
You do what on valves? Do it after.
So at this point, you can obviously hear we're looking for bombs, and we don't know what they look like or anything. And we've mostly cleared most of the players out of this field, and they've dropped back to the village to defend the well where we've got to deploy the bombs if we find them. Come on, Reds, let's get going!
The well, yeah? In the centre?
Yeah, I haven't got any bomb. I can't find one at all.
You got one, haven't you? I've got one.
Who knows? How big's the perimeter here? Marshall, how far can we go that way to?
Yeah, into the bridge zone.
Oh, are we into there?
Got the edge of the area now.
Right, let's push into the bridge zone.
What? You'll see the marshal. He's the edge of the area.
So we don't got to go in there, or what?
We got told we weren't allowed to go into that.
I think this must be it here, lads. Let's keep going. Let's push. Let's keep pushing. Yeah. Trying to look for bombs. I don't know if we've got enough or what. All right.
He's still there. I've got a talk
Oh, there's a guy over here. He's over here.
straight down. Straight, I literally close. I got the
Someone peppered a tree. Are we allowed over this fucking thing yet?
running right. I'm getting shot at here.
Hit! The best player's down there on the right. He's got Christmas tree lights around his thing.
I know the one. I never do last time.
Keep doing it. I'll carry it if you want.
Leave it with the marshal. We're back in again, aren't we?
I'll carry it if you want.
I'm the respawn, guys. One in that building.
Yeah, they're in the building.
Fucking hell.
He's right in the doorway.
Right, I'm a bit.
And there's one over here on the right.
Oh, that's him. Well, Tony will live with you, mate. Coming to you, Tony. Back him in.
Need to pepper that building.
We're about to, I can't go. Just go in, mate. I'm DMR.
Keep firing at the fucking door. Hits. Hits. Oi, keep fire on the door.
I see him.
Fucking hell. Yeah, keep shooting at that door, mate. Come on, Reg, you're running out of steam! Reg, fire at this fucking hut!
Just get it in the well, don't worry about the rest.
Right, keep shooting at that fucking building! Hit! Look, I'll run that in if you cover that fucking well.
Got you.
Yeah.
We got the bomb, well done, Tony, that was lovely, mate. Right, the well's over there, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I'm running. I'm going to run for the ball.
Go on, I'll cover you best I can from here. But it's on the left, I think. Yeah, down here it is. I've got you covered, Tony.
Here, on this side.
We got the other ball!
I can't bless it on my DMR. This is going really good.
Well done, mate. Well done, mate.
Well done.
I saw you running lots of times. Well done. I saw
That was
you
hard
running.
work, man.